Oh my god, if you crash, clickbait.
I don't want a lot for Christmas. There is just one thing I need, and I don't care about the presents underneath the Christmas tree.
Okay, so once again, it's been a while since we've uploaded.
How long this time?
I don't know. I didn't check. Hi guys, welcome to Vlogmas. Oh, the air's off.
I know, because it picks up on the video.
Wow, you're such a good YouTuber. But yeah, we're gonna do a classic vlog today because when we tried to be creative with our videos, we got 10 views. We're on our way to pick up guess who?
Sophie!
Who else? We put her, if you didn't notice, we put her in our intro now. She's so cute. What a queen. Okay, so we're gonna go do that now. Bye!
Oh, my eyebrows are boring.
This is good lighting.
Hola! Bien, ¿y tú?
Come outside. Okay, bye. The conversation is going on way too long.
Hola!
Hi. Sophie, you made it. Look, we're just vlogging today.
Vlog squad.
Okay, crew, where are we going?
IHOB!
Yeah! Sophie, be the vlogger. Where are we going?
We're gonna pick home. It's Peach's birthday! I have a kitten.
It's 1 month old and it's her birthday today. It's her 1 month birthday.
I got her when she was a week old.
It's her one.
Because she has a birth defect.
It's a 1/12th birthday.
Yeah. It's her 1/12th birthday. And basically she turned a month old today. So
We're getting her presents at Petco.
I mean, we don't have to.
I'm not. Sophie is.
I know, it's literally just Sophie. Got her a kitten collar and it's way too big for her. It's so cute. It literally was falling down her body. That's how big it was.
Okay, bye. Guys, this is where we got Ronald.
Ronald?
Oh, his name is Rodney. Just kidding.
Rodney Jared Jr. Oh my god, look at the outfit.
Are you gonna get Peach an outfit?
Those are way too big for her.
She'll grow into it.
No.
No, this hat.
You know how tiny she is? That's way too big for her.
But socks.
That's so cute.
I love that.
You know, usually you dress up your dog, not your cat.
Oh my gosh, you could be like a fashion icon.
Should you get her a belt?
That's so big.
Oh wait, this is a leash. Just kidding.
Let's get her catnip.
You're so impatient.
This is ugly. Oh my god,
This is ugly.
oh my god, I don't want to get her this.
A shrimp or
Monkey?
what is that?
Mm.
Okay.
Does she like monkeys?
Sure.
I need to be a yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Are you gonna get her both?
Yeah, I'll get her two.
Okay.
Wait. This is cute.
That's cute.
Sorry. Peach will love it.
Okay.
Let's go.
She will. Peach misses you.
I miss her so much.
You haven't even met her.
$6.47.
Yeah.
We made it.
Yeah. Maybe I'll get French toast and the breakfast burger.
I mean, I guess. I don't like eating.
Oh, you what?
Gross.
It's literally burgers.
What are you getting?
Chicken.
Get chicken.
Well, like what kind of chicken?
Chicken.
Where's the chicken menu?
The chicken menu.
That's a Chick-fil-A, sweetie.
Should have gone to Chick-fil-A.
I'm getting that.
Are you really?
Crepe.
Wait, you need to get a burger. Remember, it's IHOB. Can I get the big brunch burger?
Had that earlier, but a good choice.
What?
I got the big brunch burger.
Oh, yum. Sophie, what'd you get?
I got chicken and waffles.
What would you say?
I got a bully report in 6th grade because this girl had this ugly spider keychain. This one kid took it and he started running around like hot potato. You know, it was like hot potato, so it didn't mean anything. And she got triggered. And I used to be friends with them, so she thought I was in the group too. And then she did bully report on me. And
What about the other people?
They also got bullied.
She did a bully report on
Like,
every single
it was like
person.
6 kids. When I walked into the principal's office, I just like started tearing up.
Aww.
I was so scared. I was like, oh my god.
Okay,
So fast.
so we just finished at IHOP and I'm so full. Are you full?
We're gonna get copyrighted.
Okay, then turn it off!
Stop holding my check.
Well, because you threw it at me. What am I else supposed to do with it?
Put it down.
This is our AdSense money. So we're on our way to meet the 1-month-old kitten, even though I already met it. So Sophie's the only one who's meeting it, so that's our clickbait. We're surprising Sophie with a cat.
Oh my god. I'm so crying. Can I see Peach now?
Oh, that's not Peach.
Hello, Peach.
Sophie, honey.
This is Peach. She's in my dog.
She's in me out. Why are you meowing?
Oh my god. I miss her.
You miss her.
And then this is where we keep her milk. Sophie.
Move, you're in my way. I have to take care of her.
For Peach?
Oh my god. Yes.
Peach, we got you a birthday present.
Peach, I got
You're
you.
1 month old today, Peach. I know you're dying, aren't you?
It's a little,
I think it's a shrimp.
I think it's a crab.
yeah, I think it's a crab.
Oh, it's definitely a crab.
And a penguin.
Cute.
Only the best for Peach.
She was trying to get Peach.
I would die for Peach.
Oh my god.
You said that before you even met her.
What?
Oh my god.
Besties.
Oh my god.
Put Peach in it.
She's playing.
Did you guys didn't have rehearsal till 5:45?
No.
That's correct.
Because today it was just bios, headshots, and measurements.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Peach. Happy birthday to you. Oh, look.
Oh my god, I didn't waste money. Now she needs to like this one too.
How do you feel?
I feel complete.
She's in there.
Don't interrupt me. I feel complete. I feel happy. But I also it's Rex.
It's not right.
His name is Ricky.
I call him Rex. Listen,
Hi,
Rex.
Ricky.
I'm-
So this was a really high quality vlog. We did so much today.
I know, but we didn't record any of it. Like, we actually did a lot.
I know.
Why is your
We
window
got
not
snow
blowing out?
cones. We're gonna film an outro now. Like it, subscribe it.
And hit that bell notification button to be notified each time we post a new video.
So thanks for watching. Dodeki. Bye.
Bye, sisters.
Anything you have to say?
Give it to me, I'm worth it.
Today was the best day of my life. I saw Peach. I met Peach. I met Rex. He shedded all over my sweater. But he's cute, so.
And you got a snow cone.
And right here, the snow cone haul. It's red. Bye.